To start with this, we have finalized this website where we are going to check fields or value present in the table. After that, we'll also see how to click on check as well as extracting some details from this table, which will keep us on pace where how we can verify the table value. To start with this, I'm going to create one test suits here where I'll include the exactly same URL which we have added in new tab. Here I will add table testing. This is the URL. We don't have any username and password for it. Operating systems I'm going to use as Windows. Number of test cases to generate using AI is this one. I'm going to test table from website. Create test suits. This will start creating the test suits. If we want, we can generate this script as well. But as of now, I'm going to add and build. That's where we will get started. I will show you how we can write the test cases in plain English language. I don't want to generate anything, so I will just stop it. Let's get our hands dirty. To start with this, choose your web applications and configure the table testing features. testRigor supports validating data across different rows and columns with ease. Next, we define test steps in plain English. For example, verifying the values in row 3, column 2 is approved. Isn't that super simple? So let's see how we'll build it. Let's create a few real life scenario we will test. Validating data from table which exist, checking the box, verifying the data, grabbing data from table so that these all steps will perform. So let's consider I wanted to create a test case. Here I will give just table verifications. First steps I wanted to just scroll down. Next, again, I will just add scroll down. It means I'm simply using plain English language. After that, consider we have to verify Belgium. If Belgium is exist or not, then we have to just write check if pages page contains in double quotes what we wanted to verify. There is a space copied from the table, so I will just remove it and in double quotes, that's it. After that, we wanted to grab values from table. Here, this table, if we wanted to see the table name, we'll easily get it from this. So here we have body. Let me get the table name. You can see table ID is countries. We wanted to grab some value from this table, which you can see it here. Here I will get grab values from countries, add from where I wanted to grab it. I will add second row and save it as second row. So this variable will be created and we can see in capture data. Exactly same way I wanted to get value from countries at second column and save it as second column. So these two variables will be immediately generated in capture data and we will have the final output generated. Apart from that, we can also click on this save. If we have the table where we can apply sorting or filter operations, that is also possible, which is simple enough and easy to do the task. But as of now, I'm just keeping it simple so that it will be useful for you where you can learn other things rather than just writing this text. We'll add and run the steps. Once the execution is completed, we'll have capture data generated. As of now, you can see there's nothing here. So we'll go to the test cases. We'll see here the snaps if it is generated. So once we run this test, testRigor automatically capture the steps and verify the content inside the table. You can even check for dynamic content updates. One of the coolest feature is the detailed reporting. testRigor highlights any failed steps and provide logs or screenshots for easy debugging. This saves a ton of time for QA engineers and developers alike. You can see here exactly same way how we want it's got generated. We found this Belgium is there, and after that you can see it's finished. When you will go back to the captured, you will see second row data is here and second column data is also there. So that's how we can easily create any test automations with testRigor. All right, now it's your turn. I challenge you to create table test for an order management system and share your experience in the comments. The best submissions will get a shout out in my next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss the next video in the Test Trigger series. Until next time, happy testing. And the pro tips is you can even integrate testRigor with CI/CD pipelines like Jenkins or GitHub Actions for seamless automations. I will cover in further part of the series. Stay tuned for that video. We'll see you in further part of the video. Thank you for watching.